Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is just a really quick update. I've got a few new things that have come into the shop, and I hope to find some time fairly soon to either do some unboxing or actually maybe some building, especially this Sonderanhänger Ost 1.5 ton trailer. We also have some tracks from Quick Traps, which is for the RSO. And we also have a DHC-2 Beaver float plane from Dora Wings. And this one I'm actually going to not use any of the decals. I'm going to make my own masks, and it's going to be a pretty interesting build. So, sorry for not being able to get anything going on lately, but just work, and then I just went to an air show for 2 days. And today I am just burnt out. Anyways, hopefully we'll get something up to you guys later.